Okay, so today we are going to talk about something that we do. As in merchant navy or in shipping business, what we do is we carry a lot of cargo from one country to another countries. And when we talk about tankers, what we do is we are carrying a lot of oil from one countries to another countries, from one buyer to one seller. So this is what is happening on tankers, and this is what tankers are doing. They are carrying oil, and we are giving the oil to the needies and taking it from the buyers. What happens is when you are carrying so much of oil, how do you come to know how much oil we are carrying, how much oil we have in our tanks? So that is why we have got one instrument over here with us. This is called portable tank gauging device. So we'll be talking about this today, and this device is of a company MMC. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss about MMC. Okay, so we have got here one MMC and one sampler. Okay, these two things we have got over here, and also we have got MMC on board because MARPOL requires it. MARPOL section 15 subsection 3, it requires that a vessel should have some portable means of measuring oil ullage interface in your residual tanks or in your cargo tanks. So that is the reason we have got this instrument over here. Then we have got one sampler also. We'll be talking about both of them. So now let's talk on details about what is this equipment, what are the parts, what are its function, and what are the principles that it works on, and how it actually helps us. Okay, so let's go ahead with this now. Okay. So as you see here, it has got different parts. Now if you look at here, it is a tri mode. So tri mode stands for it can give you oil interface, then it can give you ullage, and then it can also give you temperature. So that is what the tri mode stands for. Then you can use this instrument in the night time. We have got a light button over here, so when I press this button it will give me light. Okay, and then you have got an on push on off button. When I press this it will get on, and then this is the third button over here. This is a changeover button from ullage interface to temperature. So when one of the time it will be showing you ullage or interface, and when I press this button it will change to temperature mode. Then you have got a small knob here. This is we'll be using for turning this whole equipment. Also one more thing, this equipment is intrinsically safe, and also this is gas tight. Okay, so this instrument, once it is fitted to the vapor locks, it will not be releasing any gases. Okay, so it's supposed to be closed gauging system. And then we have got here a wiper. You can show him. This is the wiper. See, so when you're reading, if you have got some oil or some splashes, you can use this wiper, so you will get a clear reading. And also you have got one small cable over here. This is the bonding cable. So whenever you're using this thing, you have to bond this so that there is no static electricity. So we will be seeing how to bond these equipments. And then over here you can see the model of this equipment. So this is model is D2401. So we'll be going now and seeing how this equipment actually works. Okay, let's see now how the tape from inside MMC it looks like. You can see we have taken out the tape over here. So this is the tape and this is the sensor over here. We have got two sensors here. One of them is the temperature and one is ullage and this interface sensor. Okay, now we will talk about this tape. This tape is a special type. This is a steel tape, and this tape, it is coated with fluoropolymer so that it is coated with a fluoropolymer layer so that it becomes chemical free, oil free, and then it is also static free. So this tape helps in creating all these properties. And also, if you can zoom here, I will show you. You can see this tape, and then you can see there are two leads of cables which are passing here. So these are the leads which are incorporated in this fluoropolymer so that this tape will not entangle when you are lowering it. Okay, one of the lead is going for temperature, one of the lead is for ullage and interface. Okay, so let's now go ahead and see how actually this MMC works. This also I will like to introduce you. This MMC works on ultrasonic theory. So all the ullage temperature it is giving, it is working on ultrasonic theory. My friend now he will show you how actually this equipment works. So I will hand over to him and he will tell you now how this equipment works.
So as you can see, I just secured it on this vapor lock over here, and as you can see right now it's off. Right now the MMC is off. Here is the push button to switch on and switch off the MMC. So I'm turning it on. So as you can see here, it's showing 1. So it is on. 2 modes are there on MMC. You can check the temperature, interface, or temperature. So right now it is on ullage and interface mode. And if I press this button, you can see it's showing the temperature. So it changed to temperature mode. So we are going to check the ullage and interface first. So I'm changing it on ullage mode. Okay. So I am just this is a.
Also, one more thing I would like to ask you: what is this?
This is the bonding wire set for. This is for earthing, for static.
For static electricity.
For static
okay, good. So this is very important. We should always make sure that this cable is bonded over here.
Bonded.
Okay, good.
Okay, so I am just opening the wall now of the ullage pocket, and here is the lock for the pedal. I'm opening the lock. Now I'm lowering it. So here is the gauge. As you can see, it shows the ullage over here. So it is 840. As I go down, it's giving sound. So it's giving sound on 844. And if the sound,
this is a continuous sound, so
yeah.
it is of an oil, right?
Oil, sir. Yes, sir. If you get a continuous sound, that will be the ullage of the oil.
Okay. Now let's see how the interface looks like.
I'll go more deeper, sir, now.
Okay.
And the sound changes when it touches to the water.
Okay, see. So now the sound has changed. The beep has become not continuous. Now it is breaking. So this is the interface. This is how we'll come to know that now it is giving you an interface. Okay. Okay. What is the interface reading? Can we see the reading now?
710, sir.
710. Okay, good. Now let's see the temperature.
Just for checking the temperature, just you have to switch this push button to temperature. And as you can see, right now it's showing 33.2, and just you have to pedal once, so it will give you the exact temperature.
So it will settle down.
Settle down. Yes. So it's giving 33.9.
33.9. So this
at
is
7 meters. Sir.
At 7 meters. Okay. So very good. So now when you're pulling it back, you will be using the wiper if required, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you show the function of wiper?
So here is two. You will get 2 wipers over here for checking the readings. Here is the 1 wiper. So no oil trace will come on the screen, and you can see properly the what is the ullage showing over there. And one is for this wiper is for the tape.
Yes.
All the oil contents will drain into the tank only. So while taking it back, I'll just press this wiper and I'll pull.
Okay. So when you're pressing, all the oil will drain directly.
Directly.
Okay, good. Okay, so we just saw now how to take ullage, interface and temperature of a tank. And this equipment, the MMC, will weigh from 4 kg to 5 kg. It will depend on how long is your tape. 15 meters, 20 meters. The maximum tape normally comes for 37 meters, which is around 5 kg. So it will depend, the weight will depend on length of your tape. Now we have got sampler over here. You can see this is a sampler. So this sampler, this is used to collect the sample, whatever is there inside the tank. You want to collect the sample from the tank. So we will use this device. So I will just tell you a small brief about this device. You've got a same tape here inside. You can see if you want to lower this tape to 4 meters, 5 meters, you can see here, and then you can lower it. And then you got a big barrel, and inside you have got a sampler inside this. Then you have got this 2 valves over here. These valves operation we'll be discussing, and then it is connected to the vapor lock. So now my friend, he is going to tell you how this sampler works, and he's going to demonstrate you. Okay.
So, as the sir told you, this is a sampler. This is used for taking samples of the cargo tanks. So basically we got a gauge over here. So if the surveyor or somebody says you to take a sample of the cargo tank at 10 meters, so you can see, you can lower it from here, and you can see from here you can lower it to till 10 meters, and you have to just before that you have to just, this is the vapor lock wall. So we have to just open the ullage pocket wall, and this is the wall of the sampler. This is the wall of the sampler. We have to open this wall. So we can lower it from the pedal.
Okay.
After lowering it, we'll just
So
pedal
for
it
lowering,
once.
what all valves will open for lowering?
For lowering, sir, just ullage pocket wall and this sampler wall.
Okay.
Sampler.
So you can open this, no problem. Okay. So it is lowered now.
Yes, sir.
So for collecting samples, you will lower it. You can lower say about half a meter or so. So we can see the readings is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So say take a scenario that we already collected a sample. So how you will retrieve it back?
Yes, sir. Just I have to pedal once over on the
Okay.
down part to take a proper sample, and just I have to
You will reel it back.
reel it back.
So now it is in stored position.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how will you lock it?
Sir, for locking it, just
Okay,
we
you
have
will
to close the wall.
Okay.
Just we have to close the wall.
Okay. I'll also close this valve.
Yes, yes, sir.
So when you want to take sample, what you will do?
I just drop it on this.
Okay, you have
And
dropped
I
it.
just I have to open this wall.
So you
And the
put a sample bottle over here and then you open this valve.
And the
So
sample.
we will collect all the sample which was there inside. So pretty simple. Okay, so this equipment also is very useful and it is used in all loading discharging ports. We are taking samples of these cargoes because these samples are being tested, and also on ship we are keeping it for our records. It depends from company to company. Say some companies are keeping for 3 months, 6 months, depends from company to company. But we have got a records.